catch it?
No, it was in the skimmer.
Where? What's the skimmer?
That thing, that bucket with the leaves in it.
Oh my gosh! It's shivering!
Well, yeah, it's been sitting there who knows how long. Get back away from it.
I want to get something.
So, yeah, I'm sitting there emptying the skimmer, and there's a freaking bird in there. No, don't dry it off. It'll dry off.
Oh my gosh, I just want to pet
How
it
it?
right now.
No, we don't pet birds. He's sitting there. He's chilling, drying.
I just want to look at him.
No, you can look at him. Just leave him alone.
He is so helpless.
He's gonna make it. Good Lord.
Oh, he's so cute. Can I take off my skirt?
Why?
Can I go get my swimsuit on?
No, we're not swimming.
Can I at least take off my skirt?
No.
Why? It's wet.
So yeah, I was emptying this out. This thing sitting there hanging on for dear life. Now, what bad choices it made to get in there.
It is so helpless.
Oh,
No, it's...
yeah, he's been sitting in there all day, or who knows, man. It's like wore out.
That bird is helpless. I'm gonna pretend like it's on my finger.
Oh.
They're so cute.
So yeah, every day's a surprise.